Inside a secure facility in St. Louis, engineers are assembling an aircraft designed to redefine air combat. Known as the F-47, this new fighter represents the United States, Air Force's first true sixth-generation platform, and its arrival signals a dramatic leap beyond today's most advanced jets. Manufacturing is already underway. After Boeing secured the contract in March 2025, the first flight is planned for 2028, with operational deployment expected by 2029. What sets the F-47 apart is not a single breakthrough, but the way multiple advances combine into a completely new concept of air power. Stealth is the foundation. While earlier fighters dramatically reduced radar signatures, the F-47 pushes far beyond that, minimizing detection across radar, infrared, and electronic surveillance. Its engines suppress heat, its communications limit emissions, and its design allows it to enter heavily defended airspace, strike critical targets, and leave without ever being clearly detected. Range is equally transformative. With a combat radius exceeding 1,000 nautical miles, the F-47 can operate deep inside contested regions without relying on vulnerable aerial refueling tankers. This capability is especially critical in vast theaters like the Pacific, where distance has traditionally constrained operations. By flying from secure bases far outside enemy missile range, the aircraft undermines decades of adversary planning aimed at denying U.S. access. Perhaps the most revolutionary change is how the F-47 fights. It is built to command multiple AI-powered drone wingmen at once. These drones can scout, jam enemy systems, carry weapons, or draw fire, multiplying combat power while reducing risk to human pilots. One crewed aircraft effectively becomes a coordinated formation, overwhelming opponents through numbers, coordination, and adaptability. Powering all of this are next-generation adaptive engines that shift seamlessly between fuel efficiency and maximum thrust. They enable long-range cruising, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners, and massive onboard electrical generation for sensors and electronic warfare. The result is dominance not just in the sky, but across the entire electromagnetic battle space. Equally important, the F-47 is designed to be easier to maintain and more available for combat than previous stealth fighters. Modular components, durable materials, and reduced infrastructure needs mean more aircraft ready to fly when crises emerge. Beyond technology, the F-47 carries strategic weight. It strengthens deterrence by widening the gap between U.S. air power and that of potential adversaries, making conflict less likely rather than more. It also reinforces alliances by assuring partners that American air superiority remains unquestioned. In the end, the F-47 is more than a new jet. It represents a shift in how wars are deterred and, ideally, avoided by making the cost of aggression unmistakably clear.